na Aisha Bundu Kamara. Today we topic na water crisis. And water crisis na all over at the city. Different areas, different communities they complain about this water business. And as una know, water na life. Without water, Motama no dey able survive because you need water for cook, for wash. So we dey call on the government, we dey call on Guma Valley, Salwako, make them look to the problem. Then wetin are the problem? Wetin dey happen? Because all over, we don't get this complaint from the past government. Una know. So there we dey talk to this new direction, this new government. Make them see to we, make them see to the people them. Different people they affect for this water problem. Yeah, so picking them, belle woman them, especially picking them woman them they affect more because we do clean man they go work. Woman they left now house and they cook and do the domestic work them. The picking they help. But when water no dey, they really suffer. So my viewers them are not go no side. Una sit down, relax, and make we join with reporter. They we go na different community them. Where the people and talk to the camera about the problem then. Una stay tuned.
Yaya Kago and the Kumo from Sarah Network Production. Normally we get some issues about this community. So we tell with this community name.
Okay, this is Mount Oriel community and this house now so we call it Atimu.
But really now we face this water crisis normally for this January, February to March now close to April up to water. So like I really want to tell people out there how this community has really constrained for water business.
Well, Bambulem na afternoon. My name na Almami. Not a way down. I'm a musician. But I reside around this community also, really around this street here. But so they find it difficult just because of this water problem, unless I can write up to Bulia due to some of the neighbors that we get facility to catch them. We can fetch water downstairs and clean up water. We can get some amount of money for each one. And really, also all is how they say they go east down the stress in terms of water business, not only rain season. And the dam when are this botany dam where they support me a little bit. As they say, as they catch them December now, they find out say the dam don't need dry. So down to them, so up to them 10 they are now they facing serious water crisis. People they find it very difficult. If some man not go down Kisi Road for go fetch water unless you go as far as outside the dam day, sometimes only you will get one avoid over water. You spend nearly 2 hours for the girl because people in Boku when they to like. So if you want to come earlier, if you not left now then 3:30 to 4 o'clock in the morning, so man go there 2 o'clock morning now, take for me to 6 o'clock night and say you go about all that issue then before do the clean unless you get for some man can sleep safe. Yeah.
So like what you get for say to the government concerning body water business they collect. So what you explain about the distance when I go get the water and for them go left 3 o'clock now also the member say this community we talk about bad thing like thief man and the people and the real people. So how want they cope up with that for grab to the amount at that time in the morning for go get water?
Well we encounter a lot because even we say ourselves in a man there at times. If I don't go say about the woman now because some woman in the early morning if they don't come out can get water. But some day they one after and they left the properties there if you old phone or just light for points they go. Sometimes if you not spot the person quick way will harm you. Sometimes they woman they play them at times then lose their properties then even with the man them at times they say you want resist sometimes not inside they go through.
Well, I enjoy this people. I'm a boy, right? You name?
My name is Stephen
McCarthy. So you said you live around this community, right?
Yeah.
So you came to tell Fambula how you concerning this water issue and so many things in this community.
The community, I'm going to tell you that the community will suffer for water. You know, it's you. We see started with Fambu there. Don't party street. We see started with Fambu there. And don't party street they go. Someone they go to you outside Kauta. Then the road network, you know, good, you know, the community not livable. You know, like say WhatsApp is everywhere suffer really. One day WhatsApp this Avoli over this now 2,500. So they say they go 3,000. See, how you able to live young man area? 2,500, that mean they buy. 2,500.
No, I say no pump not in this community where at least not people.
Natty, you know they. No location on the way where don't clean. Pass your pump the car, but pump from where the season, you know, if the season don't start for March, for March we pump go na like bra. For March, February, for when the lock February the lock pump. See, we didn't get water, we dey strain the community not like people. We dey suffer for water business. We dey see woman, they go to 2 Avoli, can you imagine? Don't party street for climb up the hill. Not easy, the road network but not good. They are not livable, just.
Yeah, truly, just like us, what I said about now. Really, we get pumped in our bots. Just like I've been telling you, say, if you see them pumped now, the only time you see them go with the function, you will season because they tell the water flow is sufficient.
You say no, I'm for longer, not for longer.
But after December now, nothing.
After December,
that's when the season starts. Where is season starts? Where is season starts from May, vacation, October now? Basically, remember about December now, nothing, no, they get access to water again. If you not come in a house, nothing go pull now, or you go Botany, or you go Don Kiss you. Because at times back, even the dam at times it keep dry. Some day pass, some man wait after them 2-3 days, then you no access for the go. If you go by the now forget access to water. Even me say right now, I don't go down and go to place where they go. But not because of I get water crisis. Then 2 days they have, then the pump they be locked, then days they are so unless because this we never we can count water for week. We don't specify it. So okay, so don't say they count water. So me say unless I get for delay, for let me say we meet up for get water. Because if you are not going to get water for the oxygen day, so if you are not going to get water, I provide a difficult for me to up tomorrow. Yeah, so if the government they over
medical sales and they do better than the area.
And them way because say the over functions them every day. Now every 1 or 2 days they will feel less tanks than for week for look more better. Now they for will ease down with pressure and small. But
what you say about finance?
Well, just like as I said about talk, we need more help from the government and other supporting bodies there. Mount Oriel community really would they strain for water business.
We strain for water business.
Truly they strain for water business because the whole network no they that kind of wait for say expect.
Yeah, but we
because like they send also now pumps them from within also. You know they come out guys
don't stand at easy street.
Come as fast because let me see about if I dey about 800 meters I dey come out. And just imagine if this neighbor also not be don't get access to motor for the can covers then also they will say they can't fetch water for don't go more than 1,600 meter back. Because for common I go Botany back, certainly only 2,000 meters if I take a off. So it not be really easy, but if government go make provision for that so they get what when we get access to water more easier it will more better because during a season you go manage you go na bam go na or Botany or go do about issues that we get with water but
season right now starts na don lock pump
right now where the dry season don so not really easy for water business so we are if government go or any other supporting bodies then go support in terms of water business na Mount Oriel really appreciate their own effort with them but e no really easy up now so we don dey start for COVID.
I will say thanks to my brother that everyone can join me for help this community for good before. I start a network day for support every side, any corner I start a network they go there. So today, me Yaya Kabo can visit this Mount Oriel community and see what people are going to go through about water business and other facilities there. So start a network today for spread the message to now. Commissioner say start a network will be this message worldwide, okay?
Yeah,
so thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks very much. They would pray to all Papa government will do that because like me so where they talk to now, me now an artist I will sing but that for criticize, but I thank God when say that's what they can, because instead of I
Minister.
criticize, let it be say for say I don't let me complain, government no will respond. But I will sing and put her into music where people say go will send message as far as possible. But if government so will help me on that side up Mount so they also in terms of water business.
We dey control,
we go gladly. Once more this now Almami Dada, aka Oba Ibana. I say thanks to all Sierra Leoneans, much love. One love, one Sierra Leone. Blessed to all people.
Thank you very much. Welcome.
To tell the government say like me, so me na woman I dey grab na Mansoria then 5 o'clock 4 o'clock for go fair water na the dam. So me I dey beg Malabio wey dey rule we right now say let them come Mansoria let make a possible way for we let we get water. We dey suffer all way dey up the hills them. We dey suffer there, we dey beg the government let them make way for we let we get water na the hills them.
So if you don't want fuel for car up here, no way, and I pump water, and this is more pure for we. It's more pure for we for him. Than that we for say, no better.
And each rubber all they buy, we dey pay for around 2,500 or 3,000 for 1 grain rubber. So there we dey beg the government, let them try make for we possible way. We go make we get water easy way.
All man account,
They suffer. They really they suffer up this season.
by the amount of water where you able you can go. Then the post we count
That means I don't come buy 6 rubber when at 12,000. So if you were way there, I know say the cost will reduce. But when we not there, we not get way for do. We say they come back for we get this water. They far. Like me so I can able gym 2 rubber. And they gym this. Gym and they go. The gym and remember because the water business no more now. We not there for the fast food gym.
Well, explain the people how you dey stream the water business actually.
Oh, it's still water business, and so we have to try for the water, so water no there. We still forget. We go back for good pay, make the water. We get people in the we for good, we for good, not anything you want.
So like how far you can go for to get this water?
The place that I don't call it botany. Now they will do there. And the place if I take for we go water. Oh, they go there back. They watching up there for 2 lines for go water. Then a problem back out. You don't see now. Like this now, this problem now we get this place as I don't call it as over Mansoria.
So I you see you get somebody can get human being can go help you or na you no more can go.
Now me they go me man I lost her and I get man here. Pass on my neighbor them no so for me. But me man I lost her. I get people it's me now. And this so finance now here.
So like how you can do let you pick in there you go. How much work if you say you grab for go get this water?
I dey come out 3 o'clock na morning. And I dey come out and get water. I dey left the in sister na also me I go get. Then 3 o'clock. So then at 4 o'clock I go get. Or if na that help you na able help you for your water also. In back is simple. If we able get water pump house, then not for where straight for where water. But na the pump will not get for this area. So for that to be straight for go get water for that place. Far place. Butani, I don't go get water. So we not get pump for this area.
Thank you very much, Auntie Ramatu Aswa. The sister network production, they go any corner for now we know how the people they say they feel and the right communities then within they go through. And this network production they do. Young man, you go show from Bule in name. What's your name?
Bundu Kamara.
Bundu Kamara. Bundu Kamara, as young as you are a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
Okay, Bundu Kamara saying a student, but really with the people in the area, in the community, big people that tell me about how now they constrain about water business now. So you get any idea of that?
Yes, because of fire, so water business now. Even me, while they go school, coming out morning shift, early morning by then 2 o'clock, I can go because we're going to place up here called Botany, and I can go enter the car and late for go school. And most of some people in back, me other couple students, but they're back in late. So I have to hold this trouble so for water. I know easy. After being most of the time I can go school, like every morning at the gap, at the late for go school. I have a gap for go. Say I get one the place, time don't go. after they say they come back, I don't late for go school. Most of some time they are not meet up for go school. Because we get the side they lock 8 sharp 8 I lock the gates. So I go now I miss the gate lock. So my time they are meet up for go school and they meet up for enter.
So how much o'clock you can grab in the morning for go get this water?
Yes, I can grab by then 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock?
Yes.
As where you small, so this area they talk about bad thing, then you're not afraid where you can go this botanic place?
Yeah, I can go sometimes. So I make not so fast and I mean can grab and go. We can organize no more, we get her. So what they go? So around the world get so can. And when I take something bad happen into we wall back.
So like which school where you go?
At that time is Hello Muslim Brotherhood.
Muslim Brotherhood. But like now you say at times they you know keep meet up for good school. But how you go able to cope up concerning this water issue a school issue? Water issue or school issue, who shall we come for? So my priority.
Me say me school.
My school. But now you try for tell family and say like at times the water business can make you know can meet up for good school. So how you can do at time for squeeze out for make you meet up for good school?
At times working come school, we fight hard go get I can pin so that money I not go stay again for get it back. I just a turn on hours. If I go back that thing I turn use them. That's why I can know most of the time.
Okay, so what's in your last word to family and what's in the help and we want the government help and
me the tell government was say made the help for me and couch water for her because most of the students not so even myself the students most of some people are so and they say yeah we always suffer water. We always struggle. Let government please come water na so. Nobody go let this struggle na water because water business so money.
So my family last night with this young man Bundo don't say in a student at times they water business can make you know they even go school. What a shame. This place at to free to if people already in here they suffer for water business, what you go say about the one they live beyond this place? As Bundo as young as in this so now. At times they can miss in school just because of water business. Yeah, my family, Sarah Network still in the Mountain community. I don't come in this Bella woman now, so you know, now getting your view how you go to forget this water business. Young woman, how you doing? You can show me your name. I see. I don't meet with different people and Pekin, big people and they tell you how they studying about water business in the particular community. How you do forget water in this community, this kind of life?
I mean, go get for myself. So we go get there far. They claim in BM college. Now they will go get this water soup water. Botany. Or they go back. Or they go to line. They pay for about $5. Who they pay? We go save some boy and they if you not beg them, you not go get water. Pass some boy they always see who they be woman they say they sorry for you. Some people they return, they get water. Pass who the belly woman and who they give the water save. They say we can't get now. But what they tell, they never get now, they never get now. Still we beg. They strain for water now, so not able to get water. For book, when dirty water on a dirty water say for book, pass will pay for 4,000 for book. The dirty water for book now 4,000 they pay. You forget one rubber $5. Now they pay. For total back for claim that hit day, pass will blow 310 now they blow na road. Yeah, before we reach house. They can miss me at the Beloma. At the blood say, pass some Boba they say, and they sorry for me. And they say, hey, this Beloma, la help me. Or then collect boy then, and they say, hey, this Beloma, can I happy? Not happy for church. The guy started so safe. Pass one boy, that big man. They help me for church. Jim the robber there. Say, can't, don't you go pull. And tell me, say, no, no, not get what they get for you. Now I say, I not get man. I just lost my man. They ask me for my phone number and I ask me that I not get phone. You look for ask me send me there and I'm answering and I swear. And say okay. Anytime you go ask for me. Now I swear me Mrs. Rose give me in line. Same time I go need water, you go help me. You go left me rubber them there. But still we stay now for water. For book bang we not get water for book now so. You back for the claim the hill and the strain.
So like how much clock if you see you grab for go get this water because the way they explain about how the water business is hard to get with this kind of how much o'clock you feel say you get water?
We grab 5 o'clock na morning. We go, no, they can say 8 o'clock. Say to 9.
9 o'clock na morning or na
morning.
Na morning.
Yeah.
Okay. But like cookie, get some particular things and say this AI bad. So like how you do you na belle woman one, so you na woman I for grab them 5 o'clock in the morning for go this place one they call this Botany, the far distance of her. So how they feel when they grab them 10 in the morning for good?
Me like me so me get a ton. That's when me come there and they wait for me. Oh they work at they snap they wait for me. And they left me behind. Oh then go say they wait for me. They say, eh, this girl I'm don't let me alone wait for her, And snap they wait for me. And they hold the rubber set from my hand. And they say, eh, Asata, you are color taking rubber in your hand. The pikin where they blow the pikin, you know go with candle. They take the rubber in my hand. I work a one. At the meeting I say, they don't beg for me for water. Hey, that way, man, get this rubber, they not get for her. Tell the it, I give one boy. This my sister, so they make us a bit of man. They said, hey, this better man, get this rubber there. So that the big bella for and 10, and I got in 3. I call it Jana. And meet me rubber and dinner. This is my sister that get go there rubber there now. The balance will left and the couch for me.
So for say pump not in at this area say for make now we able get water from this instead of now we will get water up that place.
Now right down we go get.
Bombay. Okay, so right down Bombay back when we go get.
Yeah.
So like when I decide on say instead of now go down Bombay, when I decide on to go up at this place. Okay.
If I go Bombay, I go Botany answer. Botany better small.
So like what now you find out role to the people out there we get for watching now and then so your organization the way they for help the woman making them. So what thing are the message you could send out to them?
Follow them help me to water. But the guy they come born so I get for Brook na pide. I get for was me picking there. Water no dey for claim the number I get for left me picking. I know somebody who started left me picking. They watch for me the picking to come up get that water. Only they help me for not get water no man.
Thank you very much, Asata. Well, Fambula as I see now around the try for left down this Mount to a place and the try for heading down at the place society they call the Botany. Now we self go see how when the struggle for water business there. What's the name?
Commander Farm.
Commander Farm. How far this Commander Farm be from here to the Commander Farm?
College.
College. Wow, you go school, eh? So how you see this water constraint business with Commander Farm?
The students being for Kumo, the college guy was student. The end of another day. And make where they do it as well, the time for we get
But we can get water now. Man, they not key to church or man, they try for you to do that.
no. I guess I can get
So like you never experience a man want to build that for one after you push for the moment that they didn't do so. Well, like how much you left it goes for camp can get water?
If I come school, by 3 o'clock. I can get quick and if you come school by 4 o'clock, I get.
So like what you go on for say or let the help now Say your name again. Salimatu, thank you very much. Yeah?
Welcome back, my viewers. Them as soon as self don hear to the one we talk to the camera. As you see belle woman, it dey blow 2 times for go, 3 times for come. Imagine the kind distance belle woman waka that kind distance then dey for just go find water. Then when I hear the time where it dey grab 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, when at the time is supposed for rest, when at the time that one day where it for sleep, that godly hour they wait for rest. At the time that one day. They imagine them school bobo them. They don't grab 5 o'clock, you know, even enjoying sleep fine. You don't go there na water side. First of all, the water side far away far. Then where you go meet huge crowd. When they come out, they take 10. So when you go school, they make you know they even learn enough na school. So do you have they call on the government? All over, long places they cry. For the past 2-3 weeks, they need to get water. Leicester Road, different parts there. Na the city they get water crisis and water na life as una know. So do ya we talk to Guma, to Salwako, the government, do ya una solve this water problem ya? Una know say water na life. If water not there for flush, water not there for wash, the place they smell, the city go smell. It go affect young pikin them, belle woman them. So do ya we call on the government, Salwako, Guma, do ya we dey beg? And people that they pay bills. Do ya una count to the aid? We need water. Freetown City need water. So now thank you very much. And stay tuned for more information. Talk to the camera. Mena Aisha Bulu Kamara. Tata.